this movie came out 12 years after the original, yet somehow the shark looks way faker and cheaper than the first one.
So true. It's very true.
It's a really bad shark.
The shark looked like a Jim Henson puppet. It looked like it was like made out of like felt. Somehow it had like a texture to it.
If you look at the shots when it's swimming through the water and they show the fin, you could actually see the stitching on the fin.
Yeah, you
can see the stitching on the fin. It is so pathetic what they try to do with this shark puppet.